Let's cook low-carb Wawa egg soup today. This soup is easy and delicious, tastes sweet and not greasy at all. The medicinal value of baby cabbage is also very high. Traditional Chinese medicine believes that it is slightly cold in nature and non-toxic. Regular consumption has the effects of nourishing the stomach and promoting fluid production, relieving irritability and quenching thirst, diuresis and laxative, clearing away heat and detoxifying. Baby cabbage is rich in crude fiber, which can promote gastrointestinal motility and prevent constipation. Eating baby cabbage can warm the stomach, and it can have a therapeutic effect on those who have stomach cold. Many people are prone to stomach pain once they eat cold food or get cold in the middle of the night in autumn and winter. This is stomach cold. If you usually eat more baby cabbage can relieve stomach cold. Baby cabbage can remove toxins and excess water from the body, promote blood and water metabolism, have diuretic and edema-reducing effects. Eggs, corn, carrot, Wawa vegetable, sliced carrot, cubes corn, Wawa cabbage cut into proportion. Crack eggs into bowl. Fried eggs. One big bowl hot water. Slices and corn. One teaspoons each of salt and pepper powder. Optional to add chicken cubes. Add Wawa vegetable, cover lid and simmer for 2 minutes. off flame and drizzle sesame oil. Pour soup into soup bowl. Low-carb Wawa vegetable corn egg soup is done. This soup tastes sweet and not greasy at all. This soup is so delicious. Per analysis, baby cabbage contains higher carotene, calcium, magnesium, zinc and other nutrients than Chinese cabbage. On average, it contains only 8 calories per 100 grams. It is a vegetable with extremely low calories and high water content. It contains more fiber. Eating it in moderation can help relieve constipation. It is recommended during weight loss. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like Easy Recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.